First, we will make the hole using a metal drill bit by quickly inserting and removing it several times. By doing this, we will avoid overheating the drill bit, which could cauterize the vascular tissue and will allow us to easily remove the wood chip created inside the hole. The second step is to introduce the connector, which is the piece that allows to connect the device to the xylem of the tree. When inserting the connector using the hammer, you will notice a sound change from hollow to plain when the connection is tight. Beware that although the connector has a small crease in the middle, it does not indicate the insertion depth. The connector should only be inserted 1 to 1.5 centimeters inside the trunk without considering the bark of the tree, thus leaving an effective absorption chamber so that the liquid can be absorbed by the xylem. During the third step, we will connect the device by holding the connector firmly with one hand, and using the other hand, we will push the device upwards while turning at the same time. We will then reach the correct position as can be seen in the image, in which the distance between the two pieces is minimal. Failure to connect the device correctly may result in the uncoupling of the device due to its own pressure. Finally, once the liquid has been absorbed, it is necessary to remove both the device and the connector by holding them firmly and pulling while turning. We can also do it with the help of pliers. Later, we will separate the connector from the device.